Jolene said, "You're a beautiful talker, a singer of pictures, a pixie-tongued hawker, a love-horned hobo, a jingle-jangle man who keeps lost treasures in the palm of his hand." Jay became a daydream juggler all for her. He would open doors with the slightest murmur. He'd lift her up and then they'd look down at the sky. She knew he'd stare down any storm with just one eye. Keeps turning as you go to your own song. But a story's never told and it's hard to tell. Did he really love her and did he treat her well? He blessed her always till one day he headed west. But what was she to him, she asked, was it just a test? He had wanted to turn a nickel into a dime, see what makes the bells of San Goldwyn chime. Now when she sees him on a flat screen in the dark, she doesn't recognize the gem that made her spark. Take